Okay, all are joined now again.
Yeah, all are in.
Yes, go ahead.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Uh,
Oh,
here,
Pramod is about to
three-dimensional.
join.
He's joining within a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Shall I start?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
This three-dimensional. You got the three-dimensional array.
Yes, you got it.
Okay. If you want a four-dimensional, here I declare like this four-dimensional. Okay. Here first array size is 5. Next array size is 2. And then next array 2. And then 3. Means this is the 5. First index.
Yes.
Okay. This represents this first level. Okay. This 2 represent next level of arrays. These 2 represent after next level of arrays. This 3 represents after next level. Okay. This 3 means 0, 1, 2. So we can store 3 elements in 0th index of these 2 here. Okay. 0th index of array. Again, one more array. One more array will be stored for this location. So like that, this structure will be created for these arrays also. Okay.
Okay.
Simply it means array within the array, array within the array, array within the array. We can create any number of levels. Like here the 4-dimensional, no, we can create 10 levels of arrays also. 10-dimensional arrays also. If you again, if you found in any like this, 5-dimensional, like this, 5, 2, 2, 3. Again, it will come to 2. It's here how many? Pairs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-dimensional array. 5-dimensional means again one more level will be come to here. Okay. You got the structure of arrays, like
Yes.
how many dimensional will be created like this, how many levels. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Is it clear? Then we can go to initialization. We are up to now here the initialization. No, this is the initialization for 2-dimensional. Okay, this is the initialization of 2-dimensional. If you want to create 2-dimensional initialization, then int of for 3-dimensional, how we are giving braces, square brackets.
3 boxes.
Okay.
Yes,
3 square
3.
boxes.
This is a 3-dimensional. A is equal to. We are giving directly. We are initializing.
Yes, yes. Flower
Initializing the values of square braces. Okay. Here we are creating int of A is equal to new int of 5, 2, 2. Okay. This is my initial. This is my declaration. The same arrays how we will declare initialize the values. We will see. Okay. 5 means 0,
0, 1, 2. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. This is a single dimensional array. It represents like this. Okay. It represents this array. But again next is 2, no. So for this 0th location, again we have one more array. So it's like at this 0th location. Okay, I will create here. At the 0th location, we have one more array. So that is 0, 1. The second array of size is 2, no? So that's why I'm giving 0, 1 only. Okay. After that, at first index also we can give 1 and 2 values, any values your wish. It's clear. Here at this 0th index, again we can create one more array. For the first index we can create one more array. Second index we can create one more array. Okay. The array, you can separate the array values with comma. We are representing particular array with curly braces. Okay.
Okay.
If you, this is the 2-dimensional array, this is the 1-dimensional array, this is the 2-dimensional array, but here we are we want to create 3-dimensional array, no? So that then we can get like this array. Within the array, in this array again we have one more array. So 0, here I am assigning values directly, comma 1, 3. Okay, this is one array. This is one array. This is one array. Okay, these 2 arrays will be in
0 of
one
0.
more array.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then again, comma okay. Here this is the one set. Okay, again like this. This is the one set. Okay, this is the one set. This is the one set. Okay, here 2-dimensional means 0, 1, no? At this 0th index 1, 2 will be stored. First index we can store 1, 3 array. 1, 3. At 0th index 2, 3. First index 3, 4. Okay. This is 3 sets. Up to 2. We can create 2 more sets also. Okay. It's clear.
Yes, yes.
It's clear.
This is a 3-dimensional array. Is there any doubt?
No, we are clear.
I have one myself, Jay.
Yeah.
And here you have declared 3-dimensional array int a is equal to 5, 2, 2, right? A 3-dimensional array on
Yes.
the top first line. So what is 5 there now, and why are the different 2? You mean to say 5 what do you call this?
5 elements.
Variable or 5 elements.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so as per your scenario above, okay, you mean to say first next line, the second line, the first 5 or the first variable, is it?
No
First
variables.
element, first array, sorry.
Yeah.
First array.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did not see that first array. Maybe I missed it. So you said 5, right?
Yes.
Yes. If 5 means it's created 5 locations like this. Okay. It creates 5 indexes. Okay.
Okay.
Here indexes are, here the index is 0, 0 to 4. Here our elements are 5, no? So that's why it will be 0 to 4.
0 to. Okay.
Okay.
So each.
You got this point? Okay.
Yes, yes. So each box is an
Again,
element, is it?
yeah. Here
Each
again
box
we
is an
have the
element.
at this location again we have array only. So here the data is array. So again it's create one more array like this. This array size will be 2. It represents 2. So this array size will be 2. Okay.
Oh. So you mean to say the first one is one set of element, and
Yeah.
second box is inside it, inside that
Yes.
particular 5 box.
Yes. Actually, in single dimensional array, we are directly assign the value. We are giving particular value. But here we are giving again group of elements. Okay. This 2 represents a particular index. I mean, each index again we have 2 elements. We can store 2 more elements. So, okay. Again, these 2, after that again we found one more array. Okay.
Yeah.
At that time again we can create one more array with particular this location, this location, like that. Array within the array, array within the array, like that. It will go until how many arrays we are initializing here. I mean arrays declared here. That many arrays will be
Go
created.
deeper. So let me say what I understood is the first array, first declaration 5 will be the parent one.
Yes.
Okay. The more you go deeper, next, it will be the more child inside a child.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is the first and this is the, I mean, 0th and this is the first. Again, we have 0.
And this applies for the same, right? This applies same for the 2-dimensional array also. The first box will have one array. Inside, the next one will be the second box inside that, the parent and child.
Yes. Yes. If it is 2-dimensional, then the graph, the array like this. This first array, then again first array. Again, we have arrays like this. Only two levels will be involved here. If you observe here, this is the main parent array index. This is the next child index. Again, this is the another next child index. Here, 3 indexes are involved. That's why it's a 3-dimensional array.
Okay, so if I want to call the first 0 part inside the last child, so I could say 0, 0, 0. That will call the first box, the first box inside the array.
Yeah.
But
we can call like this. Here our variable name is A. So 0, 0, 0 gives this value. For example, here we are storing 10. Then it gives 10 value.
10. Yeah. So one more question here. So do you mean to say that we can only store that data, okay, inside the last child, or can't we store the data in second element? No, the second array. Second array.
Yeah, we can.
How?
This array or this?
No, this one inside.
Here?
You have 3 layers inside, right? No, the first one. The first example you kept all 0, 1, 0, 0, everything, right? So here we are only storing data, meaning what you call the values inside the last element.
Yes, yes. Or in the last array
Last
only we
array.
can,
Last
in the
array.
last array only we can give the values, but not in the
Yes.
second and first.
You
Because
mean
as
you mean like this zero 0 is equal to like this? You
No,
mean
no,
to
no.
you want to
yes,
get
give
the
that.
values from this array?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah, we can't get. We can get the array value at this location 0 0. What is available here? One more array, no?
Full set.
So we can.
Full set. We can
Yeah,
also
we can.
get the full set, right?
Yes. So here we can give array value.
Okay. Assume that we have called
Here,
0
this array will be
equal
called.
to 0.
Yes. Yes.
So what will be that?
1 2 1
we
3.
can get entire array will be get.
Okay.
What
Then-
is
then
available at this
ultimately-
location? Array, no. So we can get array only.
Okay. Because why the reason why I'm asking is, see, okay, fine. So what I'm thinking is like, anyways, you use multi-arrays, multi-dimensional arrays, how much ever time, but the data will be saved only in the last array, right? So
Yes.
instead of creating, so many,
For
multiple
example, I will
single
say one
dimension
more
array,
example.
you will try to
Yes.
fit in that in one multi-dimensional array.
For example, if we take one school as an example, okay,
Okay.
we have different classes. Okay, for example, up to first class to fifth class.
Hmm.
Okay, we want to store all the students' information. This is the similar type of data. For example, every student have the name, no? So name will be string. Definitely, it should be a string. So
Correct.
similar type of data. Then we are going to arrays. Okay, each class have a particular size. Like we have a limit, no? For example, each class have 20 members only. Some classes 30 members, some classes 40 members, like that. Okay, we can, but here the data will be same type. So we are
Correct.
going to arrays. Okay, for example, if we take this entire first level of array will be school, next level of array will be class, after next level array will be sessions, like A section, B section, like that. We have in single class we can different classes. Again, after that we can get the names of the students. No,
Okay.
it's clear.
So you mean to say, for like, first you just to take an example as per your metaphor, you have five. I mean, this is one big school in which you have
Yeah.
5 different classes: first standard, second
Yes.
standard, third standard, or like maybe first standard, everything. Okay, in first
Yeah.
standard you have different sections.
Yes.
Okay, inside that each section you have that class,
Yes.
a class of members, whatever data inside.
If you want to separate girls and boys like that, then again we have to take arrays.
One more array.
One more
inside.
internal array. Okay,
Internal
got
array.
it.
Yes, got it. Last question. So here I have understood very clearly about the multiple array. That why did you
Okay.
keep this, I mean, a 2-dimensional array? Why did you keep these boxes outside the box?
Is it? Is this?
No, here, no, the left, right. This one, yeah.
I can't place.
Okay,
Like for
okay.
example,
It's
it's
the
a
same
5.
logic, is it?
No.
It's
Yeah,
the same logic as
lo-
above, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Yes.
Here I'm drawing the same location. This means I'm get the array to outside. I'm draw the array outside and link to that location.
Okay.
Here. Like
Okay.
that
Got
I
it.
am
Got it.
drawing here. Okay?
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
This is the concept of arrays. Okay. Then I think it's too late. How we will implement in coding? I want to show that thing, but it's 9:45. What about you guys? Em cheddam. Shruti, Ram.
Okay, no.
Yeah, Sonam.
Actually, this is the
Yeah,
concept, but we have to implement in our coding, no?
Yes. So
Yeah.
Shall we continue this class after 11:30?
Okay, your wish. You say
Yeah.
convenient timing. I will.
Pramod, what do you say?
I will show.
Yeah,
Archan.
fine. After 11:30. Okay.
After Krishka's, we'll continue this, okay?
Okay, sure. Your wish. Anytime I will be
Archan
available.
and Sai Ram, are
I'm
you
okay.
with
I'm
this?
okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. All of you members know the for loops.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
For loop,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Not
If
a
for
nested
loop.
for loop. Only
Huh?
for loop, not only. I know only the
Okay,
for loop,
okay.
not nested for loop.
For arrays, for loop is enough to get the values, to store the values.
Okay,
For loop is using for the arrays. That's it.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
It's very simple. I think it's 20 minutes class. I think. Okay.
Okay.
After 11:30, we will take it. Go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, guys. This is the arrays.
Thank
If
you.
you have any
Thank-
doubts, we will discuss it again 11:30.
Thank,
Okay.
Thank you,
sir.
Sonam.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
you.
Same to you.
You too. Bye-bye.